Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the option display and brightness. Then we have to scroll down and localize this option auto lock. And as you can see, after tapping on it, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 30 seconds or 1 minute. And at the bottom, the longest timer option, which is 5 minutes, and never, which means that your device will never automatically black out. So basically, all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. I'll pick maybe 3 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately marked. And after getting back, you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 3 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.